Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I wanted to bring a video to you guys about how to help loosen up your hair when you have such tight braids. I recently got my hair braided 3 or 4 days ago. I was supposed to go on vacation, but as you guys know, we are all practicing self-quarantine. My head has been hurting and I've been experiencing a lot of dryness, as you guys can tell. So I wanted to give you guys these tools or tips on what I do to relieve the pain of having such tight braids on your head. But let's jump right into the video. When I wake up in the morning, my hair is like this. So when I take it off, my hair is still laid in certain places, but I do experience some dryness. Like it's really bad, as you guys can tell. When I first wake up, when I untie my do-rag or my hair tie, I spray a little bit of this on it, or I put some grease. I grease my scalp. I mainly try to put this in the morning. Your hair is like the same thing as like your body. One of the things I do when I first wake up is drink water, because I'm thirsty. I need it. I need to drink water. Think of it, our hair is the same thing. You've been sleeping for that long, you haven't moisturized it. You know, give it some oil. Like your hair needs that oil to thrive too. It's the dryness that's making it so painful and so itchy. So this is Herbal Complex 4 hair and scalp treatment. My hairstylist who does my hair, like in terms of straightening my hair, she is the one who recommended me this because my scalp does tend to get dry. So ladies, I would say if you're experiencing really tight braids, moisturize. And for this one, I use, this one is the Jamaican castor oil. I spray this on my braids to loosen it up, and I also spray in between my hair just so that I can give some moisture. Anyone knows black castor oil is the GOAT when it comes to like really preserving your hair in terms of making your hair grow. Like Haitians, we have wood muscati, and wood muscati is basically Jamaican castor oil. And my mom, when I told my mom, like, mommy, like my edges, girl, like please help my edges, she was like, Ashley, mete wood muscati so on your edges, protect your edges. And I was like, okay, mommy. I'll spray a little bit now so I can show you guys. I'm just gonna do this so I don't want to get it on my glasses because it's annoying. So I spray some up here. You could be fly and still have your edges. Another tip that I have is to get a towel, heat it up with basically some really hot water, damp it, and make sure the water is not like gonna burn your skin. As long as it's not lukewarm, it's kind of hot and it has that steam every single day for the first 2 days. I'd wrap that towel and it would let my scalp absorb that heat, absorb that moisture, absorb it. And it also loosen up the braids too. It's gonna make the braids less rigid. The pain does come back a little bit later, but for that moment you experience some relief. And another thing that I do is I communicate with my hairstylist. I say, hey girl, I can't handle certain tight braids. This is the tightest that I feel like she's done on my scalp, which I did already express to her, but she killed the game. When I had shown her a picture of exactly what I wanted, she gave me even better than what I asked for. Like, you know how like people go on the shade room and it'd be like what I asked for versus what I got, and it'd be the what I got be crazy. No, this time it was what I asked for was down here and what I got was up here. So she bodied it. So I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy about that. Those are my main tips on how to loosen tight braids. Number 1, keep your hair moisturized. The second one is applying heat. Leave it down in the comment section below if you try that and see how it has worked for you. Let me know. And then number 3, have an open communication with your hairstylist. Let your hairstylist know, hey, your braiding is way too tight. I really want to preserve my edges. It's really too tight, or I can't handle the tightness. Or can you loosen it up? Because I noticed that this braid was a little bit too tight. Can you do the next one a little bit loose? But ladies, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope that this helps because the summer is coming up. Once Corona has come and gone, because I can feel it, she is leaving. She's about to be out. Summer 2020 is not canceled. Hot girl summer is not canceled. have your braids out. Your braids are gonna be out looking good. You won't be experiencing tight braids after watching this video. It's all up from here. Stay safe, stay inside, and stay healthy. Bye guys.